Tennant Company's 1610 Dual Technology Carpet Extractor provides a complete cleaning system for large carpeted spaces. Its ReadySpace technology helps you save money by delivering both interim and restorative carpet cleaning in one machine. Cleaning carpets with the 1610 improves productivity and provides health and safety benefits. The 1610 quickly improves your facility's image by keeping carpets looking cleaner longer, all with a low cost of ownership. Maximize your cleaning performance and improve efficiency by deep cleaning your facility the first time with the dual counter rotating head. Spend more time cleaning, as the large capacity solution and recovery tanks require fewer fills and empties during cleaning. Reduce your cost to clean with Tennant's 1610 Dual Technology Carpet Extractor. The easy-to-use 1610 simplifies training and helps eliminate rework and overuse of chemicals and water. It's engineered for optimal sight lines, reducing your cost to repair damage to floors and fixtures. Tennant's 1610 Dual Technology Carpet Extractor is engineered for reliable, industrial-strength cleaning, while providing health and safety benefits for your operators, employees, and customers. The 1610 Dual Technology Carpet Extractor with Tennant's patented ReadySpace technology enhances health and safety in your facility by reducing slip and fall risks and minimizing odors and molds. Reduce mold and bacteria that can grow in enclosed tanks with the easy-to-clean, hygienic solution and recovery tanks. Enhance your facility's image with Tennant's 1610 Dual Technology Carpet Extractor. Keep your carpets looking cleaner longer and your facility always looking its best with dual head technology. Tennant's 1610 Dual Technology Carpet Extractor features innovative engineering for easy operation and maintenance. Intuitive controls are designed to help you simplify training and operation. Tennant's 1610 Dual Technology Carpet Extractor, providing exceptional cleaning results while delivering reduced cost to clean, health and safety benefits, and improved facility image, all in an easy-to-use and maintain carpet extractor. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.